morning first class children. So be ready for the question answers. That is, what is the lesson number 14? The earth and the sky. Okay. So today teacher is going to give you the question answers copied on very neatly in the classwork. Okay. So be ready. I hope yesterday that before class you had completed your worksheets and the classwork. But today teacher is going to that related lesson only question answers. ఏ లెసన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను మీకు అందరికీ ద ఎర్త్ అండ్ ద స్కై అవునా కదా. సో దాని రిలేటెడ్ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ అవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సో టుడే వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు విచ్ బేట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకే, నౌ బీ రెడీ చిల్డ్రన్, కాపీ డౌన్ వెరీ నీట్లీ. లెసన్ నంబర్ 14. ఓకే, గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్. వాట్ డు యూ సీ ఇన్ ద డే స్కై? What do you see in the day sky? Place the finger gap and write, children. You should write what do you see in the day sky. Yes, what you can see in the daytime. What is the answer for this? In the daytime, I mean in the day sky, in the, place the finger gap, in the day sky, we see sun and clouds in the sky. We see sun and clouds. Sun and clouds in the sky. In the sky. Okay. Next one. Next question. What do you see in the night sky? What do you see in the night sky? In the night sky. What you can see, children, in the night time? Yes, you are right, moon and stars, isn't it? So we will write the answer now. At night we see, at night we see moon and stars in the sky. We see moon and stars in the sky. In the sky. Okay, so these are the two questions. First question is, what do you see in the day sky? In the day sky we see sun and clouds in the sky. What do you see in the night sky? At night we see moon, M-O-O-N, moon and stars in the sky. So during night time what you can see, children? Moon and stars. But in the daytime you can see the sun and clouds. Okay, children. So what is the next third question? What is the shape of the earth? Get ready for the third question. What is the shape of the sun? Not for the we will go for what is the shape of the sun. Okay, so third question, what is the shape of the shape of the sun? Okay, so what is the shape of the sun? The shape of the sun is round. The shape of the sun is what? Round. The sun is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, Next one. What do we get from the sun? What do we get from the sun? What do we get from the sun? Okay, tell me now, what do we get from the sun? What is the answer? We get heat and light from the sun. Answer is we get heat and light from the sun. Okay children, now get ready for the oral reading. Next one. Yes. Now tell me children, what is the shape of the sun? The shape of the sun is round. What is the shape of the sun? The shape of the sun is round. The shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape of the sun is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. What do we get from the sun? We get heat. H-E-A-T, heat. హీట్ అంటే వేడి, ఇంకోటి ఏంటి లైట్ అంటే వెలుతురు. మనకి ఏం వస్తుంది సూర్యుని నుంచి? ఫ్రమ్ సన్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్? హీట్ అండ్ లైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సన్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్? వాట్ ఇస్ ద థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ ద సన్? ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ ద సన్ ఈస్ రౌండ్. ఓకే, నౌ ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్. రీడ్ నౌ. What? W-H-A-T. What do we get from the sun? Okay, now while learning you can learn with the spellings also children. First class, learn like this. W-H-A-T, what? I-S, is. The, T-H-E, the. Shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape. O-F, of. P-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. And how will you learn? Now question read completely without spelling. What is the shape of the sun? Is it clear children? Now answer again. Learn the answer. How spell the word? T-H-E, the. S-H-A-P-E, shape. O-F, of. T-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. I-S, is. R-O-U-N-D, round. Place a full stop when you complete the sentence. Now learn the shape of the sun is round. Okay children. The next one. Fourth question. What? W-H-A-T, what? D-O, do. W-E-V, G-E-T, get. F-R-O-M, from. T-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. Now read the question now. What do we get from the sun? Answer. W-E-V, G-E-T, get. H-E-A-T, heat. A-N-D, and. L-I-G-H-T, light. Spell the word of light. L-I-G-H-T, light. From. F-R-O-M, from. The, T-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. Full stop. And now how to read the sentence? We get, look at here, we get heat and light from the sun. Is it clear children? So you got it now, third and fourth question? Yes, be ready for the next video. Now fifth question. What is the fifth one? Why do stars look tiny to us? Very small. Tiny means small. Why do stars looks very small for us? Why do stars look very small to us? Very small to us. Why they are looking very small? Why do the stars looks very small, children? ఎందుకోసం చెప్పండి. నక్షత్రాలు ఎందుకు చిన్న చిన్నగా మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది? మనం కింద నుంచి మనం పైకి చూసినప్పుడు మన నక్షత్రాలు ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది? చాలా చిన్న చిన్న ఒక చిన్న చిన్న డాట్స్ అలాగా. ఓకే, సో సమ్ టైమ్స్ విల్ మేక్ సమ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఆల్సో, isn't it? With the help of stars, with the help of our fingers, where we can make so many patterns. Okay, now the question they are asking is, why do stars look very small to us? Why do they look very very small? Okay, now the reason is, write down. Stars look very small. Stars look very small because very small because B-E-C-A-U-S-E because B-E-C-A-U-S-E because they are very far away from us. T-H-E-Y, they, very, V-E-R-Y, very far away. F-A-R, far, away, A-W-A-Y, away, F-R-O-M, from, U-S, us. They are very far away from us. Okay, they are, you should have to write here, are, children. So let me start here. T-H-E-Y, they are very far away from us. Okay, the next one is, which is bigger? Which is bigger? Which is bigger? Which is bigger, the sun or the earth? The sun or the earth? Now place the question mark. E-A-R, I don't have the place, I am writing here only. Just place. The which is bigger now? Which is bigger? Sun is bigger. Which is bigger, children? Is it earth or sky? Sorry, earth or sun? Sun is bigger. I am very sorry. Which planet now here? Whether is it the earth? Option they had given two, sun or earth. So what is the answer? Sun is bigger. Okay, now seventh one. Where do we live? Where do we live? Where do we live? We live on earth. We live on the earth. Answer is, we live on the earth. We live on the earth. Okay. Okay, children, now be ready. Now, oral drilling. Come on, say now. Why do stars look very small to us? Spell the word of why. W-H-Y. Why? D-O, do. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. L-O-O-K. Look. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. T-O-2. U-S. Us. Why do stars look very small to us? Stars look. Spell the word of stars. Yes. T-A-R-S. Stars. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. T-H-E-Y. They. A-R-E-R. V-E-R-Y. Very. F-A-R. For. A-W-A-Y. Away. F-R-O-M. From. U-S. Us. Now join and write. Without spelling you should have to learn the sentence now. Be ready, children. Stars look very small because they are very far away from us. Come on, say. Stars look very small because they are very far away from us. Okay, now next one. Sixth question. W-H-I-C-H. W-H-I-C-H. Tell me what is that? Which. What is that? Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Spell the word again. W-H-I-C-H. Which. W-H-Y. Y. W-H-I-C-H. Which. I-S is. Bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Now which is bigger? The sun. They are asking two options. T-H-E, the sun, or the earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Next one. Sun is bigger. Which is bigger? Sun. S-U-N. Sun is bigger. Spell the word of bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. The next one. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Okay. W-H-E-R-E. Where. D-O. Do. We. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. So where do we live, we all? Which planet? Yes. We live on the earth. We live on the earth. Is it clear, children, now? Come on, learn now. Why do stars look very small to us? Stars look very small because they are very far away from us. Which is bigger, the sun or the earth? Sun is bigger. Where do we live? We live on the earth. Is it clear, children, first class? I hope this is very clear, no? So I had spelled the word and I had made you revise 2 and 3 times, more than 3 times. So like this you also follow it and learn like this manner. Okay. So copy down very neatly. Place the finger gap. Leave one line. After question answers, leave one line. Again you write the next question. So how many questions teacher had given? 7 question answers. Okay. So this lesson has completed. Though this lesson I had given the fill in the blanks, question answers and hard words. Okay. Now from tomorrow onwards we are going to follow the textbook reading and we will complete the textbook exercise. Your classwork notes are completed. Now your turn is to follow the worksheets. Try to complete it and open your textbook. Whenever I am going for reading practice, be ready with your textbook. Okay. Otherwise, you listen. If you don't have textbook, you listen the class. You be behind me and you keep on saying the sentences. Okay. So, this class is very clear, first class children. Thank you, children.